Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to add about x to the power of 6. Later that we need to minus about x to the power of 6. Next, we need to put negative x to the power of 4. Later that we need to add back positive x to the power of number 4. Next, we put about x squared. Later that we need to add back negative x squared. Then we have negative number 1 and positive number 1. So we can do about factorization by x to the power of number 6. This one by negative x to the power of 4. This one by x squared. This one by negative number 1. So this one divided by this one, we have x to the power of 6. Similar for this one, and this one. Now we have the formula in here. So we put number 6 go in here. So 6 plus 1 we have number 7. So we have x to the power of number 7 over 7. The next one we have number 5, number 3, and number 1. The integration of this one, that is about octane of x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.